My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I have a look of Vechain coin. What's the price since goes in a Vechain, what's the high price, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Vechain coin. In this video we will discuss about the Vechain coin. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Vechain coin. Now let's start the price predictions of the Vechain coin. Let's see. If you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe. As you can see now on the screen, friends, that is the live price predictions of the Vechain coin after last one day, friends. The chain is absolutely a good. I like this kind of chain. I'm also a holder of Vechain coin. That is my favorite crypto in the cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, 18.47% change occur in the Vechain in the last one day, and the high price is absolutely a good. I like the price. The 0.159058 USD dollar is the high price of the Vechain coin in the last one day, friends. If you look the graph, so the graph gradually tell us that they gradually increase, and I like that the Vechain coin. As you can see now, they are in the false, but don't worry about it, the false. Now let's see the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 4 hour in the file coin, sorry, Vechain coin. As you can see here, positive 5% change occur only in the 4 hour, positive 5.38% change in the high prices. Dollar 0.159058 dollar is the high price of the file Vechain coin in the last 4 hour, friends. And as you can see here, they jumping upward, but now in the last hour they falling down, so don't worry. After some falls they again jump, so don't worry about the falling of the Vechain coin. Now let's see the current status of the Vechain coin. I know they are in the falls, but don't worry, the changes is a negative. As you can see here, negative 2.6% change occur in the last 1 hour in the Vechain coin. As you can see here, negative change, and the price is also falls down. Dollar 0.156816 USD dollar is the high price of the Vechain coin in the last 1 hour, friends. That is the current status of the Vechain coin in a cryptocurrencies market. The falls occur in the Vechain coin are starts now from the last 1 hour, friends. So don't worry about the falls. They again after some time again started pumping, so don't worry. As you know, the last one day price predictions is a very the positive, the change is very good. So that is why my suggestion for all of you that please hold your Vechain coin with the last half this month, because the big explosion of the Vechain coin are coming soon and the changes are also in positive, so please hold it. What's your opinion about Vechain coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets.